Hello friends, today's topic market gap down opening on Monday. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. If you are wondering what is gap down, that means the markets have closed at 100 yesterday. It may start by 92 today and that 8 is a gap down. Gap up is the exact opposite. The tariff announcement of US President Donald Trump on the third morning Indian time has pushed global stock market into a big crash. The US markets has experienced its biggest two-day fall since March 2020 due to the COVID when global economy fell into recession. Global stock market performance is in front of you. Hong Kong Hang Seng percentage change on 3rd April minus 0.02%, percentage change on 4th April minus 1.52%. Japan Nikkei 3rd April minus 2.77%, 4th April minus 2.74%. Germany DAX minus 3.01%, minus 4.95% exactly on 3rd and 4th April. France CAC minus 3.31, minus 4.26 on 3rd and 4th April. UK FTSE minus 1.55%, minus 4.95%, 3rd and 4th April. US Nasdaq 3rd April minus 4.41%, 4th April minus 6.07%. India Nifty 50 3rd April minus 0.35% and 4th April minus 1.49%. You may observe the Nifty index has fallen relatively lesser than the other major global stock markets. However, mid cap and small cap indices fell by around 3% yesterday. On 3rd April, global markets fell because of the initial announcement of Trump about additional tariffs on various countries. On 4th April, US markets fell since China announced a 34% tariff on American imports starting from April 10. The market cap of US stock market has fallen by 460 lakh crores in just 2 days. The total stock market cap of US market is around 4,900 lakh crores. In fact, the total market cap of Indian market is around 410 lakh crores. The volatility index of the US went up by 45, which is extremely high. The Federal Reserve Chairman has said that President Donald Trump's new tariffs, which is larger than initially expected, could lead to prolonged inflation and slower economic growth. US bank JP Morgan said it expects the US economy to fall into a recession this year due to the likely negative impact of tariffs announced this week by Trump. Similarly, many other financial institutions have also predicted a US recession in this year. US inflation is expected to rise due to the higher cost of goods because of the tariffs by other countries on the US. As of now, the GIFT Nifty, which is the futures contract of Nifty 50 index, is showing a fall of 2.75% on Monday morning. So a huge gap down is expected to Indian markets on Monday morning, especially since the Indian markets have fallen relatively less so far compared to other markets. The current situation will test all investors, especially the new investors who entered the stock markets after the corona crash. As long-term investors must continue our regular investments in stocks and mutual funds. As we had mentioned, around July last year, stock markets would correct for one reason or the other. Markets may continue to stay weak for some more months before any major and sustained rally. It's a great opportunity for long-term investors. However, it is not a pleasant situation to see your portfolio fall every day. This will also provide investors a good learning experience for investors and give them a chance to judge how good their performance since all stocks may not rally when markets rally in the future. End of the video, here is the question. Currently, what is your action in the market? A. Only holding, no fresh investment. B. Investing regularly. C. Selling. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.